Hello everyone! I just want to show you guys itong aking package from Wholesale Supplies. Ayan. So, tignan natin kung itong mga soap supplies na aking in-order from Wholesale Supplies. I just want to share this with you guys. And let's see what I got today. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, these are my soap box labels. Ayan. So, ganito yun guys. Yung mga soap box. So, malapit ang Christmas. So, I have to restock my soap box. Okay, then I have, I think I bought 250 pieces each plastic. So I got 4, a total of 200. Yes. Okay, and then oh, I have some essential oil here and fragrance oil. So let's see what I got. Oh, there. Okay. This is lavender and mint fragrance oil. Isa ito sa best scent na maraming bumibili. So, best seller. Another one is hibiscus and ilang-ilang. Okay, I like this too. This is a great scent. Very calming. Oh, anise. So, essential oil, certified 100% pure. So, first time kong gagamitin ito. So, I don't know kung ano ang smell nito. But then, I will share you guys kapag ito ay ginawa ko ng sabon. Okay, also, I have from Brambleberry na dumating din kahapon. So, ito yung mga sa Brambleberry naman na aking in-order. Hickory and suede. Ayan, fragrance oil. I have Serenity fragrance oil. So, I'll check that out kung ano ang mga amoy ng mga ito. Okay, Kentucky Bourbon. Okay. And then Neroli and Shea Blossom. This is popular, Neroli. Okay. And I have here Wild Rose. This is second time ko nang bumili and super mabango. I like this very much. And lastly, herbal essence. So this must be smell mga herbals. So let's try this. At ating amuyin ang scent nitong herbal essence. Excited ako guys na gawin itong sabon. For Christmas season, ito yung mga available na sabon na aking isi-sale for gifts. Okay. Oh my goodness. Ang bango. So, watch out for the salt for this. So, I have these are my collection for Christmas season guys. So ito yung aking gagawin sa Christmas season, and plus meron pa akong lavender, rosemary, cedarwood. So I will be making lots of soap for this season. So thank you for watching, and if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up for for this video. Thank you and have a nice day.